Hey, fourth graders, we're going to work on some math word problems today. I am going to read you the problems. Please have a scratch piece of paper and a pencil ready. After I read the problems to you, please pause the video, take a moment to solve the problems, and when you're ready, you can play the video again and find the answer. All right, so let's start off with this one. The school library has 288 science books. Altogether, the library has 618 science and animal books. How many fewer science books than animal books does the library have? All right, so the key word here is fewer. So think about what operation would you use? Would it be addition or subtraction? All right, you can pause the video right now and take a moment to solve your work. All right, so I'm pretty sure you paused this and you took some time to solve it. So there are, did you guys get 42 fewer science books? All right, wish I can see all of you guys right now and would have asked you guys to give me a thumbs up if you gotten this. All right, let's try a second one. Olivia's stamp collection consists of 442 stamps. There are 131 butterfly stamps, 107 dolphin stamps in her collection. How many of Olivia's stamps are not of butterflies or dolphins? So this is a two-step problem. So we know that altogether she has 442 stamps. And out of those 442, she has 131 butterfly stamps and 107 dolphin stamps. I want to know how many stamps that are not butterflies or dolphins. So my hint to you right now, you should add the butterfly and the dolphin stamps together first and then find how many stamps she has that's not butterflies or dolphins. Okay, you can pause this video and take some time to solve this. All right, hope you resumed the video and you're ready to see the answer. All right, did you guys get it? There are 204 stamps that are not butterfly or dolphin stamps. All right, next one. Jason had $30. He gave $18 to his brother. How much money does Jason have left? Okay, he started off with 30 and he gave $18 to his brother. You can pause this video to solve how much money he has left. All right, ready? Jason has $12 left. All right, let's try this one. Alana's coach had some money to spend on softball equipment. She spent $76 on bases. She has $176 left. How much money did she have to start? So she spent $76. So she had that amount and she has $176 left in her pocket. We want to figure out how much money did she start off with in the beginning. Okay, take a moment, pause the video, and solve for this problem. All right, Alana's coach had $250 to start with. Okay, next one. The school science club raised $325. After buying equipment for an experiment, they had $168 left. How much money did they spend? Okay, pause the video, solve for the problem. The science club has spent $157. Last one. Are you ready? Amy paid $575 for new furniture. Before buying it, she had $813. So she started with $813. How much money did she have afterwards, after paying for those new furniture? So take a moment, pause, and solve for this problem. Did you guys get it? Amy had $238. All right, I hope you guys were able to practice solving some word problems today, and that you guys were able to use a scratch paper and pencil and practice addition and subtraction today. All right.